Welcome to TechnoGo. Seat back, relax and get ready for a tech journey. Are you looking for a pair of wireless headphones? You've come to the right place. I made a list of 5 of the best quality sound earbuds you can buy. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. The Galaxy Buds come in a pill-like carrying case out of the box. They have been ergonomically designed to ensure a snug fit in the ears. Put them in your ears with a slight twisting motion to securely lock them in place. It's actually quite easy to get a good and comfortable fit with the Galaxy Buds. At 4.9 grams per earbud, they're not among the heaviest earbuds out there. You will find 3 sets of earbuds tips and fins in the box. Swap them out for the ones that fit you best. Although you can use the Galaxy Buds on their own, pairing them with the free Galaxy wearable app unlocks a lot more functionality. The app lets you monitor the Buds' battery life and connection status, configure touchpad options, and update firmware. You can even select whether or not the Buds alert you to new notifications and read them aloud. Sony hits another noise-canceling product out of the park with the Sony WF-1000MX3. These are the true wireless version of the company's flagship ANC headphones, and boast impeccable low-frequency noise cancellation, making them a great option for travelers with limited space in their bags. The firmware can be updated via Sony's free app, so as far as totally wireless earbuds go, these earbuds a great long-term investment. The downside is that these earbuds offer zero sweat resistance. They don't even have a nano coating to wick water away. Touch controls are accessible from either earbud. By default, double tapping the left earbud alternates between noise cancelling and ambient sound modes, while double tapping the right earbud skips tracks. You can also access Google Assistant by saying, "OK Google." Either of the touch panel controls may be remapped via Sony's app. Holding a finger over the left earbud decreases volume and allows ambient noise through. The Airpods let you cycle through the 3 noise settings: noise cancellation, transparency, and off, by squeezing lightly on the earphone stems. Combinations of shorter squeezes activate other controls, letting you start and stop playback and cycle through tracks. But there's still no way to adjust the volume without calling up Siri or pulling out the device you're connected to. With noise cancellation or transparency turned on, Apple says the earphones should last 4.5 hours. With those features off, you should expect around 5 hours of battery life. The design is wonderful crafted, an ergonomic body that's shaped in a way that naturally fits in the ear concha, and applies slight pressure so that the earbud stays in. Each of the Elite Active 75T buds has an actual hardware button on the outside. It's very easy to press and gives off very clicky feedback, eliminating the ambiguity of whether my input was successful or not. You do have 3 bud sizes that come with the package, but these are not always the final solution. The outside body of the earbud also does a lot of the work when it comes to fit and feel. Blade is designed with Bluetooth 5.0 technology to enable 2 times faster data transfer speed and 4 times range of data transmission. Simply speaking, Blade provides not only a stronger connection, but also ultimate sound quality as a result of the minimum audio data loss in transmission. Developed with a pair of 5.8mm powerful dynamic drivers, Blade delivers superior sound quality with rich bass and balanced mids and highs seamlessly by the advanced audio coding, which achieves better sound quality than MP3 format, at the same bitrate. Sports earphones are everywhere, but none live up to the likes of Blade, the true combination of AI fitness technology and music, designed with the technology of personalized AI voice coaching, smart heart rate sensor and Soul Fit app. Real-time personalized voice coaching, powered by Biomech engine, differentiates Blade from other sports earphones.